I'm in Mexico right now. The Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, it's working enough for me to upload a video. It's not working enough for me to go live, which is so unfortunate because I have live streamed 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K. Wow. And now 50K. We just hit it. One of the biggest milestones, and I can't celebrate it with you guys, sadly. However, the giveaway is still going to happen, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can enter, exactly how you can win some free Lego to celebrate this awesome milestone. Halfway to my first play button, which is amazing. But first, I just want to share some things that are coming up. I am working on Skibidi Toilet 3. You guys have been asking over and over and over again. It is happening. It will be coming out. However, I'm in Mexico for an internship. I'm making videos, I'm very busy. The fact that I'm able to be here to hit this milestone on a camera at least is crazy enough as it is. And I am just so thankful that I am where I am. And I plan to do a full video that you guys will love, I promise. Themed around my internship, where I am, explain all of that, and build something that hasn't really ever been seen in the Lego community before. So stay tuned for that as well. And don't worry, so many more videos in the works. I have another one that is already filmed. Once again, a fantastic video, I promise. And thank you guys so much for all your support, for being patient, for sharing and liking and commenting on the videos. It means the absolute world to me. And now I'm going to tell you how you can win some free Lego. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, Icarus Bricks, like my most recent post, which is a sneak peek of the next Skibidi Toilet video, comment cameraman or Skibidi depending on which one you want to win, and I will add you to the wheel in the running for an awesome giveaway. There will be 2 winners, but if we get more than 50 people, I'll make it 4. And the winners will be announced in about a month, so stay patient, stay tuned, keep on building, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.